Okay, guys. Should I? Yeah. I'm Filipino. So don't be angry at this little Filipino, okay? Guys, I'm gonna help you speak Tagalog or something. If you want, okay. Tell you one thing, Tagalog, okay? And we're back to English, okay? Um, let's start with a simple question like this. I'm gonna say something that's Filipino, and you guess what it means, okay? Okay. So let's start with a simple wimple. I think you get this one, even though you don't know the language. I'm thinking what to say. Okay. Anyways, back to business. Okay. Ano pangalan mo? Palangan mo. Okay, I can't say that word. That just means you have 10 seconds to get. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 6, 5, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So did you guess? If you say it's what's your name, you're right. Definitely right. Ano to? Ano ito? Okay, nasaan yung mga ate dito, te? Kasi wala lang. Okay. Wala lang ako sasabi ko, guys. So, kaya, wag kayong mag-angry sa akin. Kaya wag kayo You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are good. Sorry. Was that cringe? Because it's totally it's not cringe. Literally, it seems cringe. You're my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. Know how much I love you. As I said.
Bakit mabigat sa bibig na?
Okay, so guys, this is gonna be an hour video because literally this is literally midnight. It's literally midnight. How am I gonna smile at midnight? Sorry, I'm so sleepy. I haven't slept. Oh my gosh. Literally, girl, I can't take a break after seeing my... Oh god. Yeah, oh my gosh, she's getting me. Just kidding. Okay.
Ilang kinakalatan kasi nila eh. Makalat kasi.
Okay, but... No, I didn't meant to. Okay, guys, we're gonna be back in business. Guys, just wait for us. Just wait for me. Okay, we're back. I finally found the perfect dress. Ano ginagawa na? Yo. Okay. Sinuto, ang ganda niya. Guys, we're gonna let our guest get you another country, and I am another country. Ano daw? Ah,
Itong dalawang na to ang pakpak ng dating Pirate King na si Gonky Roger.
Ano
Itong
daw?
Pirate King nga isang
Ah?
metaphor. Kung saan ang ibig sabihin neto dalawang naging katulong ni Roger sa pagtupad niya sa goal niyang maging hari ng mga pirata. Teka,
Okay,
kailan
sorry.
ba natin exactly narinig yung patungkol sa
Sorry guys, I can't read yet. I'm 6 years old. So don't ban me from YouTube.
Hindi yung pagkain na ha.
What's the back here?
Neto ng tulong kay Robin. Dito
Because I want to try this out. No, that's not here. Okay, anyways. I gotta get a phone. Okay, guys. So, what the...
Huwag mong kalat lahat yan. Tapos yung lapis daw, bigyan mo kay Anta.
I'm going
May
up.
lapis, naglalapis ka ba? May lapis ka ba binigay sa'yo si mama?
Meron, pero gusto ko.
Oh, matusok yung ice mo. Pag natusok yan, wala ka ng ice, gano'n ka na.
Sige na. Isa
Gago.
lang. Extra naman.
Oh. May lalapis ba kayo?
Hindi.
Oo, sinangaling ka.
Bakit hindi pwedeng magkaroon nito yung iba pang pirate group gaya ng
Huwag ka daw magastos dyan sa ballpen ha.
pirates or even itong white-beard pirates. So, gaya ng nabanggit ko sa
Pagod, bakit ganito yung ano ko pala?
Bakit?
isang emperor group,
Bakit?
na-apply nga yan sa lahat ng mga emperor. Syempre, outside ba?
Tingnan ito.
Mga ganito.
What?
Pero bakit pa ganito?
Yan yung mga original.
Original? Originality.
Sabi masira.
Hindi to, masisira to ma-easy lang.
Isang kakaibang hiking activity ang patok ngayon sa China. Tinatawag itong Shuisha Shenzhou o underwater walking. Dito, lumulubog ang mga tao sa ilog habang may bit-bit na malalaking bato para hindi sila lumutang. Dahil dito, kaya nilang maglakad sa ilalim ng tubig kahit pa may agos. Nakaka-relax at kakaiba ang itsura ng video. Kaya milyon-milyon na ang nanonood, lalo na sa lugar na tinatawag na Weizhou, kung saan ito
Pero what if hindi na
Pero
tayo
kahit mukhang
makahinga?
kalmado at masarap sa mata, babala ng mga eksperto. Delikado ito at hindi dapat basta ginagaya kung walang sapat na training at tamang pag-iingat. Ikaw,
Oo, maglalakad,
susubukan
oh.
mo bang maglakad sa ilalim ng tubig?
Mahal ako.
Guys, did you see that? Right there. You didn't, if you didn't see it, it's okay. Because I literally saw something. Okay, guys. I'll be guys. We're back. Guys, I'm gonna circle something for. I'm not meant to do that. Okay. Guys, give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Okay, guys, we're back. I'm gonna draw something for you.
Naihagis ang bulaklak sa isang patay. Ano na ang
Make it
gagawin
purple.
natin ngayon? Magpapakasal sa patay. Ang
I'm gonna
pagkansela ng
circle
kasal na
something
ito,
here.
Hindi lang magdudulot ng kahihiyan sa pamilya Songdito
Takip
sa
doon
buong
ako, takip.
Roche, kundi mawawala rin
Ano gusto mo?
lalo na ang dangal ni
Takit dun.
What do you want? Boys, today we're gonna... Yeah. Ang init dito sa likod.
Talagang ikaw ay nagpapagalit sa matanda. Maliit na salbahan. Kitang-kita na ikaw ay sinasadya. Nagpapasakit ng ulo sa amo. Sino ang nagsabing aatras ako sa kasal?
Ah! Ugh.
Ikakasal ako. Hindi ko akalain na ang prinsipe ay bibigyan ng hatol na kamatayan ng ama ng
Okay, guys.
babae may madaling na pagmamahal at natapatan. Ang siyang tumulong sa akin upang makatakas sa malaking
You see that right there? I'm gonna color it out because it's so blurry.
Taiwan Dry.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna blur something up so you don't see it. Okay, don't. Okay, guys, don't mind me, but yeah, that's what yeah, that's what I covered out. This is what I've been hiding for you because, guys, I have a real question. I have a crush on somebody, but I'm too young. Kaya, ganun lang.
Buhay na ito,
Tayo?
mangyari ang nais mo.
Eto!
May manok po.
Yo!
Halika na. Halika.
Sorry guys, my dad just back. Oh guys.
Ang mukha ng Pilipini ay puro ng pagkamangha. Tuwing araw, umaasa siya sa kanyang
Okay guys. Bye guys. Okay. Bye.
paghahanap sa kinaroroonan ng Pilipino. Kasabay nito,
Hindi ko alam kay ate.
bar at masayang gabi
Ayan, baka mapuno yung record ka ng record, ha?
Kaligtaan ng kanilang masayang pag-usap. Biglang dumating ang isang bodyguard at